Hello dear students, today we are going to study about adjectives. Okay, so before starting adjective, I would like to share with you what is adjective, what is definition of adjective. So suppose here on your screen as you are watching, an adjective is a word that qualifies noun or pronoun. That means an adjective qualifies noun or pronoun, and it has a qualifying word. And one more thing, an adjective is a word which add to something of meaning of pronoun. That means it is used for pronoun. Examples: old, new, beautiful, wise, etc. Suppose if we talk about he is an old man, so here old is adjective for what? Old is adjective for man. Okay, so here if we talk about it's a new India, so new here it's work as an adjective. About kind of adjective, we have 9 kind of adjectives. First, adjective of quality. Second, adjective of quantity. Adjective of number. And fourth, demonstrative adjective. Number 5th, possessive adjective. Number 6, distributive adjective. 7th is interrogative adjective. 8th, proper adjective. And 9, emphasizing adjective. So first we learn here adjective of quality. Adjective of quality, as we know that what qualities he has, she has, or it has. That means it tells about the adjective of quality. Adjective of quality shows the quality of a person or a thing, such as old, new, intelligent, sick, good, kind, brown, brave, etc. Example: this boy is brave. That means who is brave here? This boy is brave. So brave, it's a qualifying word. It tells about the quality of the boy, so that brave is a adjective of quality. Second example: the flower is red. The flower is red. That means here the quality of the flower is red. It is in red color. Second, adjective of quantity. It tells about the quantity. So adjective which tell us the quantity of the thing is called an adjective of quantity. Suppose some, much, little, a little, the little, all, enough, a lot, sufficient, like that. These are the fine example. The whole property was divided. The whole property was divided. That means here the property, and which property? Whole property. So here it is said that now about the property, and what's the quantity of the property? It's a whole in quantity. Here is much water in the glass. So in the glass, how much water we have? There is much water, or enough water we can say. So much water, it tells about the quantity. So these examples related to the adjective of quantity, because these are telling us about the quantity of the property or the glass, how much water in the glass. Third is adjective of number. Adjective of number tells how many person or things and in what order they stand. That means it tells about the number of the person or number of the things. Suppose if we talk about there are 3 men, so 3 it's a number. So no, all, too, few, one, any, first, some, many, several, enough. These are the adjective of numbers. Example: all men are mortal. So how many men are mortal? All are mortal. So here all tells about the number of the man. And the second example: the horse has 1 tail and 2 eyes. So here it is describing that a horse has 1 tail. How many tail? one tail. And how many eyes? Two eyes. If we ask a question how many, then it will describe about the number. So these are the adjective of number. And number 4, demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjective, what is demonstrative adjectives? Adjectives which are used to point out some person or things are called demonstrative adjective. That means men are nearer or farer, they are singular or they are plural. If we talk about this, then this will be demonstrative adjective. Suppose this, those, these, that, like that, these are the fine example of the demonstrative adjective. Example, this boy is clever. Who is clever? This boy. So we are addressing here this boy. If we talk about this boy, so here this is the demonstrative adjective. And next one is, these apples are sweet. These apples are sweet. That means we are describing about which apples are sweet. So these apples are sweet. So here these also describing that now they are in plural number and they are nearer to us. So that here this, that, these, those are such, these are related to the demonstrative adjectives. And fifth point is possessive adjective. As we know about the possession, so it is comes from the possession. So here in possessive adjectives, so possession or ownership of everything or every person or any property. So here they tell whose a thing is related or whose the person is related or which is the thing that relates to the person. So my, our, his, her, these are the possessive adjectives. Suppose his mother. Whose mother? His mother. So on mother, who has possession? His possession. So here his, it's a possessive adjective. This is my pen. Whose pen is this? This is my pen. So on this pen only possession of my word. So my, here it's a possessive adjective. Your son is intelligent. Whose son is intelligent? Your son. So on son, whose possession is here? Your son. So here there's a your, it is described about the possession of the son. So here his, my and your, these are telling us that they have possessions. Okay, the 6th point is distributive adjectives. Distributive adjectives shows separation, such as each, every, either, neither are called distributive adjectives when they follow a noun. Suppose example, each student has books. Each student has book. That means here it is describing that distribution amongst the students. So here each students, that means each, here it's a distributive adjective because it is here here it's a tell about the separation. Every man is mortal. So every man is mortal. Here it also show the separation. How many man is immortal? So here it is also tell us that now here every person in man or in human beings, every man is immortal. Either boy can speak English. Here it is also separated. Either boy can speak English, or we can say either this boy or that boy. So here we distribute these adjectives. About neither road was clear. Neither road was clear. That means here it also describe about the separation. So here if we get each, every, either, neither, and it is in distributive manner, so we can say it's a distributive adjective. The 7th point is interrogative adjectives. Interrogative adjectives which are used to ask question with a noun. That means if we ask question with the noun, those will be interrogative adjectives. But it requires a question word like what, which, whose, etc., etc. are interrogative adjectives when they used with the nouns. So whose pen is this? So here pen, it's a noun and we use a question word with it. Whose pen is this? So here whose, it tells us that now it's an interrogative adjective. Which shirt? So shirt is noun here and we use which question word with it? So which, it's a interrogative adjective. What name do you speak? Name, it's a noun and we also use question word with it. So what word here? It is describing about, it's a question word and it tells us that now it's an interrogative adjectives. Okay, the 8th point is proper adjectives. What is proper adjective? Adjectives made for proper nouns are called proper adjectives. That means adjectives that are made with the proper nouns. And what is proper noun? Such as the name. Naming words are called proper noun. And if we make a new word with the proper nouns, then we will call them proper adjectives. Suppose I am an Indian citizen. So India, it's a proper noun and we make a new word with it, Indian. So Indian, it's a proper adjective. He earns American dollars. American, it is made by the America. So we make American word with the help of a proper noun. So America, it's a proper noun and American, it's a proper adjective. He is a Russian leader. So from Russia we make a Russian. So if we make Russian word here, this will be proper adjective because it is made with the help of a proper noun. So Indian, American, Russian, Japanese, these all are the proper adjectives. Emphasizing adjectives. What is emphasizing adjective? Adjectives which are used to express emphasis on the noun that follow them are called emphasizing adjectives. Very, same, on, very same, etc., etc. That means if very forcefully we tell about a noun, those will describe about, those are emphasizing adjectives. Examples are here. This is the very book I like most. That means this is the same book. We are telling here forcefully, this is the same book. So here this is the very book I like most. So here very it is describing that it is said forcefully. This is the same problem. Same problem means this is the very problem. That means this is that problem which I am facing. So here same word, it is also very emphasizingly said that now it's forcefully said that now this is the problem. Mohan has been living in the very same street for 5 years. So here very same street, that means here it is that same street where we are living for 5 years. So here very same or very same, these are the words related to the emphasizing adjectives because these are explained very forcefully. Okay, hope you will get to know about more and more examples with yourself. And the second more thing, I think you have got all the explanation related with this adjective. Okay, so have a nice day. Bye bye. Take care of you.